Would you recommend the kind of blockchain supply chain solution to other companies?
Yes, definitely. That I have told many times.
Yeah, that's
And of course, we need certain upgradations on to
Yeah.
make it a standard solution for any of the outsourcing operation.
yes, yes.
So we need to work on that. There is no doubt. But otherwise, if you see the uh, partner to have a solutions for your own day-to-day operations pertaining to a outsourcing operation, so we would definitely recommend to. And I feel I feel proud of being part of this entire project, and I got a lot of opportunities to explain this specific solution at various places, various forums where they very. I mean, I could not find anyone who have used such solution for their problems. So I feel very proud for taking this such a risk and proposing it to my management and developing the solution. So there is always a opportunity for improvement. Whatever we have developed, so we need a lot of opportunity improvement here also. But I'm not saying that it is best in the world, but the journey which we have begun is fantastic. So we have that sense of satisfaction. Whatever we have thought, whatever targets which we have set for ourselves, we have achieved in phase one. So now in phase two, I'm sure this will, if we are able to implement phase two successfully, then I'm very sure this will become world's best solution.